What's up, guys? This is Trades by Dom. We're here. It is May 31st, Friday. Hope you guys all had a good trading session today. And man, do I got some stories for you today, let me tell you. But let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm here in my Apex accounts trading my funded 50K account. And today we did good. Another steady day. We're up 352. Got a nice comfortable drawdown here, so everything's pretty good. I'm taking this one steady, making sure that I don't rush it. Didn't take any trades in the beginning of the day, just wanted to kind of let things kind of play out, and it was just looking heavy all day. So with that being said, let's jump in. You see I played a little move here off of a 34 bounce and got a couple of points. So got a little 115, and then I had a loser that happened right after it, and then another one. These here, this one I was expecting it to break. This here is technically the initial balance, this white line at the bottom. And I seen it going, so I was thinking like, oh, the initial balance isn't gonna hold. Going against my rules, because obviously this is one of the tools that I use to make sure that I have an edge in the market. So this one wasn't necessarily a smart. Actually, I think I bought here and I got stopped. Yeah, no, actually I bought here and I got stopped out. That's what happened. And then same thing here. Got bought. It ended up wicking above this. No, this one's the 9. Oh no, this is a VWAP band. I bought and it ended up, bouncing off the VWAP band, and I got stopped out for $100 loss. And then this one here was a big move. I seen the trend start to happen, so I kind of jumped on board. I had confidence that it was going to continue to go down. What's it called? The Delta gave me good signal in the moment. It doesn't look like it here because of this one not having like anything, but a nice little 450. And after that put me up 352 in this account. And I was like, you know what? Even though I could sit here and try to grab some more of the market, I was like, I'm good. I'm base hits. I'm trying to get to that payout. I'm trying to make sure that everything goes how it needs to go. Now, we are in count number 34. This one here was a wild one, because as you've seen, I kind of like finished up around this area, and then from here I started off small, and honestly things were just kind of tough a little bit. I did do relatively decent, as you can see here. I won 64% of my trades, but it was more or less, you see, look, I made 18,000 in this account. The swings on so as I go into it, you can see the swings are ridiculous. So, I started off down, and I got as far down as 3,900. Almost 4,000. And I got one trade that got me up to 384. Couple losses, got it back. Ended up getting it up as much as, what is that, 2718. And should have stopped trading. Ended up getting it back damn near about the same amount, 2,500, and then just kept trading. And then next thing you know, ended up giving it all back. I had a couple of big moves on here. You see this one here, 35.50. This is the one that brought me within 300 of the account. So yeah, after that I should have stopped, but whatever. Still just trying to play off of the 34s, the VWAP band, and some of them were working. But thing is I sized up, because when in doubt, size up. So it was working out in some trades. You can see then I also have pretty big losers. My biggest loser was 1,800. My biggest winner was this one here for 35. This was almost 20 points. So that was a nice little move right there. It got definitely a little hectic once it got down to this area, but it worked out. But yeah, no, I definitely did not, like, at one point, I just started seeing red. So you can see this is the last. No, this wasn't it. Yeah, I took another one, 550. Yeah, so you could see I was doing pretty good. I did smart, waited out this little chop area, and I kept trading, playing little bounces, 7. But it's like once you, oh yeah, so here I think my drawdown was already starting to get pretty low. So that was a $700 loss. This one's 180.60. That's a $600 win. Yeah, you see 1200. This one was a good little bunch. But as I started to try to play in like these little moves, as you can see, we're in $10 increments. The losses just ended up being bigger than what the winners are. You know, and that's what happens. You know, you play a risky game when you're sitting here trying to work with big size on contracts. So you can't really expect too much. And yeah, see 1800. That was the biggest loser right there. And then from there, I kind of realized, you know, I was getting close to the drawdown. And I think this one might have been the last one. Yeah, $100 loser. But is that all 10? Yeah, 10. I think that was the last trade that I took on this account. And, you know, ended up just basically giving up all my gains that I had, being up 2,000. Should have walked away. And then at that point, I was like, you know what? We're full degen mode. Bought another account. And, you know, stayed with the 10. And, you know, this one, this one was done in 3 trades. Right? I blew this account up in 6 trades, 12 trades, whatever, which is pretty crazy because this one, okay, I didn't get up too much, but like thing is that these swings with the P&L, like this one just got nuked quick. Like I think that was the only trades that I took was right here, like boom. Okay, so yeah, it really was only 3 trades. But 15, 17, and that one was what, 800. So because of the P&L swings of just watching it go up and down and whatnot, it just kicked my ass. So this one ended up going away real quick. Then I opened another one. Wait, hold on. There's a lot of space here, so maybe I took more. Maybe not. Okay, 36. Okay, so then I get into this account, and this one was a really wild one. You know, I was doing pretty good, you know, kind of like calmed down a little bit. Was still, you know, winning some, losing some. You know, didn't really have a good start. But, you know, kind of started to get a feel for the market, you know, allowing things. As you can see, a lot of these trades were smaller amounts. And then, wonderfully, I sized up to 20 accounts, as you can see there, which is cool. But the thing is that even, like I said before, it's like when you do that, you're just risking more. So, yeah, cool. I made 2,300. My biggest trade was 28.90. Let's see where that one was. Some of these I was just kind of like jumping around. Let me see. But the market definitely started to get trending. I sized down a little bit because I seen that my drawdown was getting ready to get closer. So I sized back down to 10, but I was like, you know what? We're still in full degen mode, so I'm not giving up nothing. So we kept taking trades, which is good. We were winning. Built up the drawdown just a little bit. This account, the P&L swings were ridiculous. They just made it and then gave it right back. $10. I don't know, this is 100. I'm trying to find where that big trade was. This is 1,800. It might have been this one. Nah, because that's 2,000. Where is it? 870. 145. Yeah, this one I was trading for a while. Like, things were good and then they were bad. Was it? Nah, it couldn't have been that one. So it was a single trade. Aha! We're getting closer. So this one I literally got like top to bottom. But yeah, you know, this account I was just like, whatever, bro. I'm slinging these hoes. I didn't even care. 320. I sized down, sized back up. And this was more of just like following price action. I was paying attention to how things were responding with the delta, but I seen that, you know, we were on a continuous grind. So you see a lot of these are, you know, just buying. You know, I did a sell, just trying to, you know, follow the market. But you can see a lot of these I was buying into it, and that's when I was losing out. But I just want to find that big trade. Where was it? That was 1,000. This one was an instant. It's like as soon as I put it on there, it got filled out. Yeah, and then I started sizing up again because, you know, why not? 1,200. And it worked out pretty decent. I mean, it was going well. I was being pretty selective as far as like my spots go. I just want to find that one. Where is it? This one was 1700. So this one had a lot of big moves, not gonna lie. I don't know. I don't know where the 2800 was. Almost 3000 on the trade. Was it a little bit later? Not yet, because all this I was already trading in the other account. But yeah, regardless. Might have been this one, honestly. Who knows? But the swings on this one was ridiculous. I was telling one of my guys on Discord, I was like, bro, like I'm going, like I told him, I was like, man, I should stop because I'm going crazy right now. And you can see, go up. Can you see it? You can't really see it. Okay, I'd go up 1,000, down 1,800. Go up 1,900, lose it all. Go down like 13, 14, 15. Go back up 13, negative. Go back up almost 2,000. Go down 3,000. Where is it? This one. 3,200. Got all the way up to 7,700. And I just took a couple more L's that kind of just knocked me out of this account. And what's crazy is that, you know, my account is still positive 2,300. But, you know, at the end of the day, yeah, this one you can see I did a whole lot. Made 38,000 in this account right today. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. But yeah, anyways, this one got blown up. So, jumping into the new account, and with this one, you know, still doing the 20, but things were super trendy at this point to where I was like, you know what? We're doing pretty good. As you can see, I won 88%. I only lost 2 trades. It's a lot of money, but that's just because of the fact that, you know, I'm trading 20 contracts at this point. Look at that one, 8,200. So I believe this one got me up 11,000. I was like, oh, you know, I should probably stop. And then, you know, took a couple more traders. This one was 1,000. You know, this one was, what, 3, that's 40. So that'd be fucking 800. So I was just waiting for the right times to kind of like jump in on these trades. As you can see, some of them, I think this was the last. Nah, I took a couple more. I didn't take too many trades in this account. I was just like waiting for the right moments on things to happen. Oh, I'm missing out on this. But you know what? I don't want to risk it because guess what? We're up 11,000. Let's go. Biggest profit day that I've had thus far. As you can see, my highest P&L was 11.42. So I'm not exactly there. I'm at 11.13 right now. But you know what? This is like the majority of the way. Unfortunately, I do have to start getting ready to go to work. So, you know, as much as I would love to have participated in this, you know, I gotta call it, which is probably for the best, just to make sure that I don't sit here and ruin anything. So thank you guys for tuning in. Apex extended their 90%. I told you it was gonna happen. I told you. So grab all your evals. The 250K is still the same price as the 50K. $85 activation fee on that. And yeah, let's continue to be degenerates. Man, volume? It's not that bad. It's at 100. But yeah, so I will be going into Monday with account number 37 and PA number 04. I won't make this payout period because obviously I don't have enough trading days. But to be up 600 and I still have over 10 days to trade, it's all going to be base hits. They're all going to be days like this. I'm not trying to rush this. I'm taking it simple, taking it easy. Let me make sure I'm out of all of my trades on this. But yeah, thank you guys for stopping in. I have a code down below if you do need to get yourself some more Apex accounts. Take advantage while it lasts because we are all trying to get paid. Profitable traders. Let's go. Appreciate you guys. Subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions on the method. And let's make some money. Catch you guys in the next one.